Extreme or irrational fears are called phobias. People have all sorts of unusual phobias. Often the terms for the phobias are as fascinating as the phobias themselves. Anglophobia is the fear of English people and things. Triskaidekaphobia is the fear of hair. Triskaidekaphobia is the fear of the number 13. Hydrophobia is the fear of water. Graphophobia is the fear of writing. Olfactophobia is the fear of smell. Anthropophobia is the fear of people. Sciophobia is the fear of shadows. Acerophobia is the fear of sourness. Claustrophobia is the fear of enclosed spaces. Pantophobia is the fear of everything. I'm the English nut. It's bye for now.